In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the heater control valve in your Ford Explorer. It's located right here on the passenger side of your engine compartment. Now, on our particular vehicle, it has this bracket here. It's loose. It's not attached to anything. We may not reinstall this afterwards, but we're going to use our 14mm socket. Remove that bolt. On the front side, we have a 10mm bolt here. I want to go ahead and repeat that for the driver's side. There's a plastic push pin right here. Going to use our trim tool. Go ahead and pop that out. On the lower passenger side of your radiator, there's going to be a drain right here. We got our drain can here. Go ahead and turn this counterclockwise. We're going to unscrew that. So we're going to go ahead and drain some of the coolant out of the radiator. We don't have to drain a lot out, just a little bit to get it down to the point where we can open up this upper hose here without leaking coolant out. Give that a wipe. Let's go ahead and remove the vacuum port right here. Slide that off. On the back side, we have two hose clamps here. I'm going to go ahead and compress these clamps. Slide them back a little bit. Okay, just going to use my pliers, just kind of give that hose a twist. Let's go ahead and pop off this front one here. We'll go ahead and swing this valve off to the side, and we'll get to the clamp on the other side here. Get to remove the valve. Now, installing the component, this does have a directional arrow on it going this way. You want to make sure that this valve unit is adjusted facing this way towards you. Once you get that in on the back side, we'll go ahead and move that clamp on over. Install the other hose. Okay, bring your vacuum port over, line that up, and push that on. Get to remove your radiator cap. And if you have your funnel, go ahead and install your funnel. So now I want to go ahead and just add a little bit of coolant to go ahead and top off this system. And once your system is filled up, I want to go ahead and install your radiator cap. You want to go ahead and start up the vehicle, go for your road test, put the heating system on high. You want to go ahead and let that system open up, let the thermostat open, cycle that coolant through. Then after driving for a little bit, let the engine cool down. Then you want to go ahead and check that coolant level and add it as necessary. Going to install our front plastic guard here. We're going to use our plastic pins here, guide that up, and push this up into place. And we'll do the same on the other side. Install our forward mounted bolt. Install our rear bolt. And repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.